Hello everyone, I am Vishal and today I am going to discuss one of the fundamental concepts in software engineering. The software development lifecycle means SDLC. Let's get started. The software development lifecycle is a structured process used in software engineering to designing, develop and test and deploy high quality software efficiently. It provides a systematic approach to ensure that the software meets business requirement, is delivered on time, and is free from defects. There are 7 phases in SDLC. First is planning, second is analyze, third is design, fourth is implementation, fifth is testing, sixth is deployment, seventh is maintenance. Now we will see a planning phase. Define the project scope, objectives, and deliverable. Uh, Conduct a feasibility study to evaluate technical, economic, and operational feasibility. Then identify the allocated resource including time, budget, and team members. Then develop a project schedule with milestones and timelines. Then create a risk management to plan to address potential challenges. Then identify key stakeholder and establish communication channels. Then last point is document the plan and in a project charter for approval. The second phase is analysis. Gather functional and non-functional requirements from stakeholder. Create a requirement specification documents to documents expectations. Analyze existing system for gap and improvement opportunities. Then conduct stakeholder interview, survey, and workshop for clarity. Then use tools like use case and process flow diagrams to visualize requirements. Then validate and prioritize requirements for feasibility and importance. Then ensure all requirements align with the organization business and goals. The third phase is design. Develop a software architecture to define the overall system architecture. Then create blueprint for components like database, UI, APIs, and workflows. Then use tools like UML diagrams, wireframes, and prototype of clarity. Then define technical requirement like server, platform, and frameworks. Then focus on scalability, security, and performance during a design phase. Prepare the data flow diagram to model the system's data processing. Then review the design with stakeholder and developers to feedback the improvement. Then fourth First stage in implementation. Translate the system design into a actual code using programming language. Follow best practice like coding standard and modular development. Then use version control systems such as Git for managing code version. Perform unit testing during development to catch error early. Then integrate module developed by different team to build a unified system. Then ensure proper documentation of the code for future reference. Then collaborate with team and resolve any issue arising during implementation. The fifth phase is testing. Validate the system against the requirements and specification. Perform different type of testing: unit integration system and UTA, means user acceptance testing. Then automate repetitive testing task using tool like Selenium and JUnit. Then identify the documents defect in a bug tracking system like Jira. Then test for performance, security, and usability under different conditions. Then conduct regression testing after bug fix to ensure no new issue arise. Ensure the software meets quality standard before moving the deployment. Then six phases deployment. Deploy the software into the production environment. Then prepare an installation and configuration guide for some deployment. Implement a soft launch or phase rollout for large scale system. Ensure compatibility with existing system and infrastructure. Train end use and provide them with necessary user manuals. Monitor the deployment process for any issue or downtime. Then gather initial user feedback to make quick fire or adjustment. The last seventh phase is maintenance. Monitor the system continuously to identify bugs and issue in real time, then provide the time updates and patches to address security vulnerabilities. Then adapt the software to evolving business need or regularity regular regularity changes. Then conduct regular performance review and optimization for better efficiency. Then offer technical support to resolve user report problems. Then introduce new feature to enhancement based on user feedback. Then maintain detailed record of charges for future maintenance and audits. Now you can see here is some SDLC model or waterfall model, align model, spiral model, iterative model and Vim model. Thank you for watching.